In the Arizona desert, nestled between rolling hills and arid landscapes, lies a structure that seems more fitting for a distant planet than for Earth. Biosphere 2, an enormous glass and steel enclosure built in the late 1980s, was more than just an ambitious scientific experiment. It was an attempt to replicate, in miniature, the complex ecological systems of our own planet, Biosphere 1. The project was conceived by John P. Allen, an ecologist and systems theorist, and was funded by billionaire Ed Bass. Their vision was to create a completely self-sustaining environment, one that could serve as a model for future space colonies and provide insights into Earth's ecosystems. Construction began in 1987, and by 1991, the first group of biospherians entered the facility for their 2-year mission. At its core, Biosphere 2 was a vision of self-sufficiency, a bold step toward understanding how humans might one day survive in space or in isolated environments on Earth. The structure housed various ecosystems, including a rainforest, an ocean with a coral reef, a savanna, a desert, and even an agricultural system designed to sustain human life. The idea was to seal a group of researchers, biospherians, inside this closed environment for 2 years, where they would grow their own food, recycle air and water, and maintain a delicate ecological balance, all without external intervention. The human element was just as important as the biological one. The 8 biospherians who entered the facility in 1991 became pioneers of an experiment that was as much about psychology as it was about science. The team included notable participants such as Jane Poynter, Tabor MacCallum, and Mark Nelson. Living in a completely sealed environment, they faced not only the challenge of maintaining a self-sustaining ecosystem, but also the intense social dynamics that come with isolation. They struggled with food shortages, declining oxygen levels, and internal conflicts. Some participants lost significant weight due to the limited calorie intake, and the lack of privacy and prolonged confinement tested their resilience. Poynter later described the experience as both transformative and deeply challenging, highlighting how it changed her perspective on Earth's fragility and human survival. Beyond the physical hardships, the psychological and emotional strain was profound. The isolation from the outside world, combined with the pressure to maintain a delicate ecosystem, created an environment of constant stress. Conflicts arose over decision-making and resource allocation, with divisions forming within the group. Some biospherians experienced mood swings, anxiety, and frustration as they coped with the monotony of daily tasks and the absence of fresh social interactions. The sense of confinement, where even stepping outside was impossible, tested their mental endurance. Despite their shared mission, interpersonal tensions occasionally boiled over, reflecting the deep psychological impact of their unique living conditions. Yet, despite these hardships, the experience provided invaluable insights. The biospherians adapted, learning to maximize their food resources and refine their agricultural techniques. They became acutely aware of the interconnectedness of life, experiencing firsthand how small changes in one system could have cascading effects across the entire environment. More than just a test for space colonization, Biosphere 2 revealed how fragile and interdependent our own world is, reinforcing the importance of sustainability and ecological balance. Although the experiment faced scientific and logistical challenges, including concerns over data integrity and management disputes, it left an undeniable legacy. Today, Biosphere 2 serves as a research facility studying climate change, ecosystem dynamics, and human impact on the environment. What began as an audacious dream of a self-sustaining world has evolved into a symbol of our ongoing quest to understand and preserve the delicate balance of life on Earth. The lessons of Biosphere 2 extend far beyond its glass walls. It was not just a failed attempt at creating a miniature Earth. It was a mirror reflecting our dependence on nature, our adaptability, and our unyielding drive to explore the unknown. Thank you for watching, and until the next video.